Seed Power by Anna Prokos, illustrated by Dave Clegg. In this book, readers discover what a seed needs to grow into a fruit-bearing plant. Between cracks in a sidewalk and even out of rain gutters, it seems like plants can grow just about anywhere. Some plants grow by sending runners from their roots, but that may be how the plant gets larger or spreads to a bigger area. Think about how grass grows. But even grass plants started with a seed. Are you ready to discover what else a plant needs to grow into strong, healthy plants? Connor licked his juicy lips. He couldn't wait to bite into the juicy slice of watermelon. It was his favorite fruit, especially in the summer. "Who's ready to play?" the host asked. The crowd cheered. Connor was ready to win the watermelon eating race. "There's only one rule," the announcer explained. "You must spit the seeds, but not at me." The racers laughed. Fun fact: watermelons are 92% water. The contestants checked their melon wedges. Connor didn't notice any seeds. "Go," the announcer blasted. The kids started slurping swiftly. Connor took a giant bite of the juicy slice. His taste buds burst with happiness. Yum! He chewed the chunk quickly and took another bite. Seed! The slippery seed swirled in his mouth. Connor tried to spit it out, but the sneaky speck slipped down his throat. "Oh no! Will a watermelon grow in my belly?" Connor wondered. Suddenly, the crowd disappeared. So did his watermelon slice. Connor wasn't at the contest. He was at a farm. It's a fact. The U.S. ranks 5th in the production of watermelons worldwide. Watermelons are grown in 44 states. A man in overalls shook his hand. "Welcome to Sowing Seeds Farm," he said. "We sow seeds and watch them bloom." "How do you sow a seed?" Connor asked. "Is it like sewing a button?" "Not quite," the farmer explained. "When you sew a button, you attach it with thread. When you sow a seed, you plant it in the ground." Connor remembered the seed he swallowed. "Can a seed sow in my stomach?" he asked. "That's a funny question," the farmer laughed. "Seeds need water and a good spot to grow. Your belly is not a good place for a seed to germinate. But soil is. Come take a look." It's a fact. Some farmers grow a variety of seedless melons. Connor followed the farmer to a patch of dirt. "This is the perfect spot for a seed to grow," the farmer said. He kneeled down to poke a hole in the soil. "Just drop a few in," the farmer said, as he gave a handful of seeds to Connor. The black seeds fell softly into the hole. "Now add some soil on top. This keeps the seed warm and protected," the farmer explained. The pair continued to poke holes and drop seeds into the soil. "I'm thirsty," Connor complained. "So are these seeds," the farmer said. He poured some water over the seeds. Connor took a drink of water and stared at the soil. What's taking so long, he wondered. Shouldn't they grow into plants already? Plants need time to grow, Just like kids, the farmer explained. You can't see it, but a lot happens underground for a seed to become a plant. It's a fact. Bees pollinate the plant's flowers in order to grow a melon. The first fruit appears in about 60 days. In 3 months, the melons are ready to harvest. First, the seed grows a root that reaches down into the dirt. The root pulls water and nutrients from the soil. This helps the seed grow leaves, which shoot up above the dirt. The plant's leaves collect energy from the sun to make food. The food helps the plant keep growing, the farmer explained. What kind of seeds did we plant anyway? Connor asked. Watermelon seeds, of course, the farmer replied. I like watermelons, Connor exclaimed. It's a fact. Farms in the U.S. produce nearly 5 billion pounds of watermelons each year. Suddenly, he heard the crowd cheering. He was back at the watermelon race, eating his favorite fruit. Time's up, the announcer exclaimed. Looks like we have a winner. Sweet, Connor cheered. And as he looked into the crowd, Connor saw a familiar face smiling back at him. Fact file. What is a seed? A seed is a part of a plant. Seeds are found in the flowers and fruits of plants. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. A seed coat protects the seed. Inside a seed, you can see the seed's food. Inside, you will see a tiny new plant ready to grow. From seed to plant. When a seed is planted in the ground, the soil warms the seed, and water softens the seed coat so the plant begins to grow out of the seed itself. First, the plant sends a root deeper into the soil to give it food and support to grow taller. Stems begin to reach up for the sun. Energy from the sun produces food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. Soon, leaves begin to show and the plant grows faster and fuller. In order to germinate or grow, seeds need soil, water, and sunlight. Is it a seed? We already know seeds are the beginning of a new plant. And seeds are found in the fruits and flowers of plants. But are all seeds the same? Think about what is alike and different about the seeds you find inside an apple and an orange. Observe it. Do you think both fruits have the same number of seeds? Are the seeds of both fruit the same size or the same color? Think about it. Do seeds need to be inside the fruit for protection? Where are the seeds of the strawberry and corn plants found? Do all plants grow from seeds? Many plants do not have to grow from seeds. A potato, for example, is not a seed, but it can reproduce itself by growing roots from a specialized part of the potato. Other plants, some cacti, can begin to grow if a small piece of the plant falls on soil. Grass starts from seeds, but new plants can start from underground roots called rhizomes. Moss, algae, and many ferns grow from spores, which may be blown by wind or carried in the fur of animals to spread the plants to new areas. So next to the potato, it says each root section of this potato can grow into a new plant. At the bottom, it says cactus plants can grow without seeds. And then it says ferns grow by spreading spores. Words to keep. This is like a mini glossary in the back of our text. It says germinate. To germinate means to begin to grow. Nutrients are food elements required for growth in life. Photosynthesis is when plants get energy for food from sunlight. Photo means light, and synthesis means put together. To sow is to plant seed by scattering or burying it in the soil. And spores are similar to seeds, but without a seed coat or stored food, only having the genetic information for a new plant.